doesn't want to earn extra money? Whether you are a college student, a homemaker, a work from home spouse, or anyone who wants to earn those extra bucks, this video is only for you. If you watch this video till the end, I'm gonna tell you a few ways in which you can earn money online from home without any investment. Well, these are the ways in which you do not need to invest even a single rupee. And when I tell you those ways, I'm also gonna tell you what are the requirements and how much you can earn. So let's get started. Well, the best and the most talked about way is freelancing. All you need to do is identify a few portals, register yourself as a freelancer, market your skills by sharing your sample work, and you will get work instantly and start earning. So now let's take a look at, are there any requirements of freelancers? If you are into writing, programming, editing, or any skill, there are a lot of businesses who now want to get work done by freelancers instead of big companies. So now let's talk about how much can you earn. Well, if you are a freelancer, it depends upon your profile how much you will earn for it. If you have a good profile, you have a lot of experience, you can earn as much as 5,000 to 50,000 rupees per project. Well, if you do not have experience, then also you will get work, because there are some people looking for low budget freelancers. There you can also earn 1,000 to 2,000 rupees per hour. So now you know that you can be a freelancer and you can earn. But let me give you some websites where you should register yourself as a freelancer. Well, top freelancing sites are Freelancer India, 99 Designs, Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Let's take example of Freelance India. You can easily go to the website of Freelance India and register yourself as a freelancer. All you need to choose is the category and the skill that you have, make your profile, upload your work sample, and get started. This is an excellent way to earn some money sitting at home online, and that too without any investment. Well, next way is to sell homemade items. Now you must be thinking that a lot of investment is required to do this, and Sugandh was telling that you don't need any requirement for these tasks. But let me tell you, when you make a homemade item, you just need a few raw materials, and those raw materials could be things readily and easily available at your home. You might not even need to buy them. You can create homemade items and sell them online and earn extra bucks. So are there any requirements? Do people want to buy homemade items? Well, let me tell you, there's a huge market for handmade and homemade products. For example, you can make a homemade soap and sell it online by registering it on an online platform. You can make some dishes, like you can cook some item and sell it through a cloud kitchen portal or through other delivery apps. Not only this, using arts and crafts, you can make some handmade gifts like greeting cards, keychains, and then list them on the platform and sell online. Now, let me tell you how much you can earn. Well, it depends on the selling partner site. If you are listing your items on websites or on portals, then they will keep their cut and you will earn the amount of money which will be your profit margin. But if you make your own online selling platform like a website, Instagram, Facebook account, then you can earn more profit. But to get started, I would suggest just use your skills, use your art and craft, make a homemade item and sell it online. Well, let me tell you, personally, I have created 3 beautiful bottles. I just took the glass bottles, the empty glass bottles at my home. I painted them, I decorated them, and I listed them on a portal, and bang, they are sold. Once you know what you wish to make and sell, you can sell them through various sites. Now, let me give you 5 top sites where you can sell your homemade items. Number 1 is Etsy India. It's an excellent place to sell anything that you have handmade or homemade, and you can earn those extra bucks for yourself. You can sell through Amazon, Flipkart, IndiaMart, and Ajio too. Well, these are just a few names that I have given you. I'm sure when you will log on to internet, you will find much more places to sell your handmade items. Not only this, you can do direct selling by social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. These days, WhatsApp is used hugely to sell items from home. Well, third way is to opt for data entry jobs. But for doing this, you at least know how to run a computer, Microsoft Excel, and other Microsoft tools. Just by studying the basics of these, you can start a data entry job. Well, you should also have an eye for accuracy and capability to work under deadlines, because most of the data entry jobs have to be finished in a stipulated time. Now, are there any requirements of this? Well, let me tell you, so many companies actually want freelancers to do data entry jobs for them. And how much can you earn? Well, you can earn from rupees 300 to rupees 1500 per hour, depending on what kind of data entry job you're doing. But I have a tip here. Before you give your details, because when you do a data entry job, these websites that you register on, they ask you for your details like your name, your account number, your bank account details. So first, check the legitimacy of the site. Do not just give away your account number, your data to any Tom, Dick and Harry site which can misuse it and not give you any work. Now let me tell you how to get started. I will tell you the name of a few legitimate websites on which you can register yourself as a data entry operator. They'll send you an email. They will ask you for your details. You give them all your details. Then they will send you the work. They'll tell you the instructions on what to do, and then you can get started. Well, here are some trusted websites. Number 1 is Freelancer. Number 2 is Guru. Number 3 is Dion Data Services. 4th is Axion Data Entry Services. And 5th one is Data Plus. So just log on to any of these sites and get started as a data entry operator and earn those extra bucks and go on that trip that you always wanted to do, or save some money and invest it. 4th and very interesting way to earn money online from home without any investment is to become a beta tester. Well, let me tell you, you can test apps and websites even before they are launched, and the beautiful thing is you get paid for it. Isn't it interesting? Well, since companies do not want to confuse their real customer, their potential customers, they often do beta testing, in which before launching a website or an app, they give it to some users for beta testing. As a user, you'll have to tell your experience of the app or the website. You'll have to report any bugs in the app or the website, and you'll also have to give your feedback on it. And the best part is you do not require any special knowledge or skill to do this job. All you need is a laptop or a smartphone and you can get started. And how much can you earn? Well, you can earn rupees 1000 to 3000 per app or website depending on what kind of work you get. Now let me tell you a few authentic websites through which you can get this work. The first is beta testing. The second is user testing. The third is startup lift. Fourth is test.io. And the fifth one has a very interesting name. It's Try My UI. So go on to any of these and register yourself as a beta tester. You do not require any special skill for it, but you can surely earn a lot. Well, the last but not the least, in fact, the best and the most creative way to work from home, earn some money online, that too without any investment, is to become a reel maker for businesses. Now, as you know that there are a lot of businesses who are promoting their business through reels. Do you need to have a lot of followers for this? No. Just start making some interesting reels on your Instagram account. Try and make some product reels where you are endorsing a product, where you are giving information or promoting a business. First, you do it for a few friends, and then you can register your profile as a business reel maker and start earning money through reels. And what's the best way to do this? As I told you, make 5 to 10 reels where you are promoting a business or you are selling a product in the reel. Show your creativity, and then you send your reels to many small business owners and offer them a price at which you will make reels for them. Well, let me tell you, this seems to be difficult, but it is actually very easy. All you need is some creativity. In few reels, you do not even need to feature yourself. You can just give a voiceover, show the product, take take some product shots, tell about the few good things about a product, and boom, you can become an Insta business reel creator and earn money from home. So today in this video, I told you 5 ways in which you can earn money online from home without any investment. I gave you so many websites on which you can register. I told you how much you can earn, and I hope that you will take some inspiration from this video and earn that extra money for yourself. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and help them also to earn more money. Also download the Freedom app. The link is in the description. Now, why should you download Freedom app? On Freedom app, you will get a lot of new business ideas about businesses which you can do without any investment or with very low investment. Yes, you can be an entrepreneur also while you are studying in college. If you do not believe me, go and watch the Handmade Gifts business course done by Prerna Sharma, who is in college and is earning 1 lakh every month from that business that she's doing from home. Well, on that note, I wish you very all the best for your future. This is your host Sugandh Sharma signing off.